Yeah, hello, this is Gerrit Mann from Techno-Composites. Today we want to talk about 4 prejudices about composite industry, and we want to clear out that. One item is point load. The AI says point load on a glass fiber profile is not possible, but we have to discuss that. If you have a bridge with, for example, 7 meter length and you have a lot of people on it, okay, then it's an area load. That is possible for such a bridge. But if you have only one person standing in the middle on an area 30 by 30, for example, then it's a point load. And this is also possible in glass fiber and no problem. Daily we are calculating such bridges or platforms or whatever, and yeah, you can be sure it works. If we go a little bit deeper and getting smaller, and we take, for example, such a profile, and we have a point load, not 30 on 30 centimeters, but only less than 1 millimeter, okay, and there is a high force on it, then I can imagine that there will be a break in the profile. But if this is the load case you have, then typically we discuss about that before we do a project or a profile, and then we figure out how to cope with this load and how to make sure that it's going into the profile like an area load. So that is also daily business and that is working. The second one, where the AI says it's not possible, is abrasion and erosion. But that's also, yeah, is an item, but you also can solve it. For example, if you have a normal glass fiber profile and there is a lot of sand or grit going over it, it will make sure that the surface will have erosion over the time. But on the other hand, in a conveyor system, we placed sidewalls where we took glass fibers on a special reason, so glass fiber plates. But we had ceramic plates glued onto the surface to make sure that all the big stones that are walking through it don't damage the glass fiber profile. So with an intelligent combination of composite material, and composite in the case of glass fiber and resin, but also the glass fiber profile and the ceramic surface, it's possible to create something what is working. And also this is daily business because every day we glue different materials together. Glass fiber with aluminium, glass fiber with stainless steel, glass fiber with glass fiber or other plastics, but also glass fiber with ceramics is possible. Yeah, the other item that the IA says it's not possible to have optical or design solutions in a glass fiber profile. And that's something where we say absolutely not. That is wrong, because we can show you what we are doing here daily. It's profiles like that, with a very nice surface, also well painted. And also other solutions like this one. You really have a design surface for trams, trains and buses, and we do that daily. And also, if you look to these solutions, these are for trains and trams, and they will last for decades of years, typically at least 30 years. Yeah, the next item, the AI says the price and also the mass production of glass fibers is a problem. And we would say that's not really right, because if you have really a low need for pieces, okay, then you take something like hand lamination. So you can also do a single piece if necessary. If you have more to do and the parts must be more correct, then also vacuum infusion is a good idea. If the amount is getting higher, then we say pultrusion can be a good solution. Also, if you have something that is related to profiles. And for pultrusion, you can say, okay, if you need something like 1,000 meters up to 20,000 meters per year, then pultrusion can be a very good solution for you. And if you have a higher need of material per year, then SMC or RTM can be the right version for you. So let's talk about that, and then we can find out what are your needs, and we can consult you and find out the best solution in glass fibers. And also this has an influence to the price, and so it's also possible to do an economical part that we deliver to you. It's not cheap, but it's economically, and you will have a very good solution.